You can turn your laptop or even another desktop into a second monitor for free without using any HDMI cable. In this video, I will show you how to use Spacedesk step-by-step to extend your screen and improve your multitasking setup. Let's begin. First, on your main PC, install the Spacedesk Driver. Go to the official Spacedesk website and download the driver for Windows 11 or Windows 10. Here, select the Windows 11 or Windows 10 driver. Then choose the correct version for your system, such as Windows 11 64-bit. Make sure to choose the version that matches your computer. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the setup process. Next, on your second laptop or device, install the Spacedesk Viewer app. On the website, select the Windows Viewer application. One great thing about Spacedesk is that it also works on other devices like Android, iOS, Amazon devices, and even through HTML5 in a browser. But in this video, I am using a Windows laptop, so I will select the Windows Viewer app for Windows 11. Download it, then run the installation process. Once everything is installed, launch Spacedesk on both devices. On your main PC, search for Spacedesk and open the driver console. This is your main machine that will share the display. Now move to your secondary computer, the one you want to use as an extra screen. It will automatically detect your main PC. Click on it to connect. Wait a few seconds while the connection is established. Now your second device will switch to full screen mode. And just like that, your desktop is now extended onto the second screen. If you want to change the mode from extend to duplicate, here's what to do. Right-click on your desktop and go to Display Settings. From here, you can choose either duplicate or extend your desktop across screens. You can also adjust the position of your monitors. Simply drag the screen layout in Display Settings to match your physical setup. Place it on the left, right, top, or bottom depending on your arrangement. Click Apply to save the changes. And there you go. You now have a fully working second monitor using Spacedesk that works on almost any setup. Perfect for multitasking, productivity, or even gaming setups. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.